Alright, well, now we'll start on the back. And this ought to be fun.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
Okay, well, and I'll show you how to fix it.
It's the chrome. It's not
So,
wanting to go over.
like I was saying earlier, the chrome on there, it's actually aluminum, gets messed up, and you have a problem like he just had. It won't come off. So, you take this drill, and you just put it over the top of it, and drill in.
Do you want me to like take the cap off?
Yeah, that's what you're doing.
Okay.
So drill it in. You might check it. It'll get loose when you get all the way through it. Okay, try that. Just like that. Takes the cap off. And you can use the same size socket on it if you need to.
It's split. Yeah, it's split.
Split. Go just a little bit more. Yeah, I think you're spinning on it. Have to take them pliers and grab hold of it and pull it off.
Alright.
Oh, dang!
You lost your clip.
Don't work very good with battery in it. Without it.
Now, if it's anything like the front one, you're going to have to hit it on the back side with a hammer. First, I got. So, if your rim and tire gets stuck on the truck, why don't you get the lug nuts off? Get underneath there and give it a little whack. Comes right off. Most of the time, hopefully. So, on these, they're basically the same principle as the front ones, but this has got that thing on there, and I'm not sure what that is.
Sensor?
Yeah, some kind of a wheel sensor, it looks like.
ABS sensor, maybe?
No? There's no wire going to it. Brake balancer or something. I don't know. Might have to do a little research and figure out what that thing is. But, anyway, what you need to do is you're going to have to take that bolt and that bolt off, which they look like they're smaller than the front ones. And then do the same procedure. The only thing different is inside this rotor here, it acts like a hub for the rear brakes. So once we get that off, we'll show you what that looks like.
Decent size by wide or length?
Wide. Alright, so Clayton got the bolts and everything out, but the caliper won't come off. And that was his snowboard. Hit me in the leg. So what he's going to have to do is he's going to have to pry that plunger inside there back just a little bit to relieve the pressure. So I'll show you how that works. Just kind of stick it in here. You can get in there and get some leverage on it. Let's pull it back a little bit. You can see it moving. Now it should slide right off there. Or these come off anyway. Just like that. Okay. Now this one don't look like you need to pull the caliper bracket off to take the rotor off because it doesn't go over the front of it. It looks like it's open. So that'd make it a little bit nicer. What he's doing is he's taking the retainer clips loose so we can pull the pad out. And stab himself in the hand.
Yeah.
Just take your screwdriver and through here, pry it down. Got it off. Okay, now before you pull that one off, you need to compress that. Yeah. So, where those big channel locks went. No, sorry.
That's pretty good, sorry.
No, that's working. You can see
One more size.
pressing it in a little bit more to go. And there it is. All I gotta do is take that brake pad out, put the new one in it. We'll have to, yeah. And we'll grab that rotor too. The unboxing of the brake pads. Nice, shiny, and clean for now.
For now. For about an hour.
If that long.
Yeah. This one's gonna be the fun one.
That should be right. No, it's upside down. So you got the wrong pads.
Look,
Yeah.
there's
Look
the
at
right
that.
side on it. It says left side. Oh, man. I
Hey,
didn't know
look
that.
at that. They're even marked. And got it wrong. Well, you got a 50-50 chance of being right.
Like most things in life.
I was gonna say, looks a little upside down there, dude.
There we go. One's in.
like that. Nope.
It's got little divots that need to slide in, but
Not quite wanting to line up.
I don't think this is right.
Is there a
'Cause
little?
that's all the way down. And those aren't in.
See, that's got to be in this hole. That's got to be in that hole. So this thing's got to shift forward. Might have to pull it out and start over. Or just throw it on the ground.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, it works every time.
Close. Oh, hey. These ones are a pain in the butt, man.
Look at it. These right here go inside these little slots.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's just when you try to put it in there, it just shimmies. So it won't go down straight. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that one went in. That one went in.
And just like that.
Just like them.
See, you just needed my help
Yeah.
and my guidance.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It's wrong.
It's the same as the other one.
Mm-hmm. This was down here originally.
Yeah, I don't see how that's going to make much of a difference.
Yeah, I'll probably just keep it on there.
Before you do that, you might want to replace the rotor.
Huh. See? And this is why it's your channel, not mine.
And that's what I was telling you about the emergency brakes inside there. And they work like a set of drum brakes. Those you normally never have to replace because they
don't
shouldn't drag.
They just stop and hold.
Unless you're one of those people that like to take off with your emergency brake on. And it'll burn them up pretty quick.
Or, drift around with the emergency brake.
Yeah.
But that's not as much fun. Near as fun with handbrakes.
Okay. Now put it back together. Just like that. Now to get the bolts back in it.
Bolts back in.
That should do it. Screw that little thing on there. Still haven't figured out what that is, but apparently it must be important if it's on there. If I find out what it is, I'll leave it in the comments.
You just need 2 pin locks.
Okay, so, well, that's how you do the brakes on a 2011 F-150. The driver's side is going to be pretty much the same as the passenger side, so I'm not going to waste time and show you both sides. So, I hope that video was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.